Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games in Realme C55 but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and actually try to find some games like Call of Duty. There's no game that we want to download right here. And now let's go back to fix this. Click on your profile picture, head on to your settings, reveal family, and enter parental controls. Now you can either disable parental controls entirely with a switch right here, or go for apps and games. Increase PG to 16 and make sure to save those settings afterwards. If you go back and look for the game again, it's right here on the top and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.